Hello, and welcome back to another 3 stocks in 3 minutes or less. We don't have a lot of time, so quick, scroll down, make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, and then with your fist, make a hand, clench it really hard. Then slowly raise your thumb up at your screen and give me a physical thumbs up. Okay, back to 3 stocks in 3 minutes, let's go. Roblox, love them. They've been doing what they're doing for 15 years. They've been killing it for 15 years. That's a big deal. And they've been growing every single year. If you don't know, Roblox is an online platform and storefront where users get to play games with each other. Roblox by itself is not just a game. It's a place where people play games made by other developers. In this sense, it's more similar to Steam, for example. It's like a platform where you can find new games and buy new games and play new games. So why do I like them? Because anyone, including kids, can make a ton of money on this platform. Some developers even earn like $1 million in a year just by monetizing their games. It's crazy. So it's super incentivized to essentially play and make games and grow a community. Also, a lot of kids and even adults buy virtual currency called Robux. So it all just helps their business overall. All right, next up, DraftKings. Do you like sports? If yes, then you've definitely heard of DraftKings. They're essentially a daily fantasy sports contest and sports betting platform. The company allows their users to enter daily and weekly fantasy sports contests and win money based on individual player performances. Since straight up sports betting isn't legal in a lot of states, through DraftKings you can make a fantasy team, put up money, and win money if you win the contest that you joined. They're sitting at like a market cap of $22.85 billion. I can definitely see them growing a lot more as legislation shifts in their favor and they grow over time. They also put a lot of money into marketing, so I really like that. All right, last but not least, Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. This is a newer stock on the stock market, so definitely be careful as it finds its price and its range, but I really like COIN from a business standpoint. Coinbase, I've been using it for many years anytime I want to deal with crypto. It's one of the only platforms in the United States where you can actually buy and sell crypto. I'd always complain about the fees that they charge, so instead of paying fees, I'm just going to benefit from their fees and buy their stock instead. All right, and that is 3 stocks in 3 minutes or less. Leave a comment down below, let me know what other stock we should look at. And I'll see you on the next video.